Alright, so today we got the diff. This is what we gotta change today. We got an LSD. This is our LSD. So first step of the thing, we got the axles out. So we unbolted the axles on both sides. So we're gonna try to get the bolts now that hang it. Actually, you know what? We're gonna get this one right here, the main one. You're gonna need a 50 mil for this. Okay, this is my contraption. I guess that will work. That's how I'm gonna get it off. So on the freaking 135, 335 platform, we're gonna have to be rotating it towards the passenger side. So how I'm doing it right now, going like this. Okay. So we got the old one off. This is the new one. And if anyone's trying to get this little nut off right here, you just gotta pop this plastic and it'll come right off. So now, this is the LSD. We're gonna put it in. So we got it all mounted up. LSD is in there. I got the drive shaft. Now I just need to mount up the axles, and then we go for a test drive. Let's do it. Okay, everything's good. All buttoned up. LSD. Let's go flying. Last thing we got is the fluid. Gonna put some fluid in, so let's get that going. Done. We're gonna go, got this part done. Okay, let's get it going. Okay guys, so we got it running. Everything's all buttoned up. We got the coolant system bled and everything from what we did earlier. We got the LSD in. We got a few toys in here. We got the GT4 as well, STI. Okay guys, so we're in the 135. We got the short throw shifter, fucking LSD. We're gonna go take this for a spin, see how this works out. Okay guys, so I tested everything. Everything seems like it's working great. We're gonna do another spin right here. This turbo, it sounds ridiculous. Like when you give it a little bit of gas, it's just like, what the can't lie though, this car moves it for sure. It moves. Leaves both wheels behind. That's crazy. Yeah, so that's it. Looks like it's working good.